So today this caught my eye, and you know by now if something catches my eye, I'll take you on a walk in 4K to have a look. And here, look, we'll start straight away. Why it's caught my eye. No tints, smaller 16-inch wheels, lesser spec. They're not the fancy diamond cut ones or the higher spec, but I quite like them. And here's the thing, this is the cheapest Yaris you can buy. If you went into any UK Toyota dealer, ask for the cheapest Yaris, this is what you'd get. It's white, it's the only colour you'll get for free. All the other colours are metallic and they start at £640. So this is 23,140 quid. The only option is the 1.5 petrol hybrid running 116 brake horsepower. So the Icon spec Toyota Yaris at 23,140. What would you have? Would you spend more money and get an upgrade? I mean, you don't get tints here and you don't get tints in the back. And what else do you not get inside? It is quite nice. It's all dark grey. You get the armrest. Let's jump on board like we do and have a look. It's got the older clock set, which is all very precise. Doesn't have the glass cockpit like the other. As with all the Toyota hybrids, this drives really quiet and really smooth. The Icon spec is no different to all the other models. If anything, the higher profile tyres will give you a smoother, quieter ride. A handy reversing camera. You have a 9-inch infotainment. You have Android Auto, so if you want your nav, you go to that. Go to vehicle modes, put your energy flow, tyre pressures, drive info, and then it tells you all about consumption. Go to media. So you go to DAB radio and it gives you all the options. I think the other thing I noticed with this, it doesn't have, on some of the up specs, you have the nano, which adds a bit of moisture to aid not getting jet lag on longer journeys. Doesn't have wireless charging. Has the auto box like they all do. There's your little modes here. Very bright in here. Obviously you've got no tints in the back. Talking of the back, let's have a look in the back. That's at my driving position. So you don't get the most amount of legroom, but it's acceptable, isn't it? You have Isofix points in the back for your child seat, and you also on these have a top tether system as well. We've got a 60-40 split on the seats, but I mean for cheapest spec they do, this interior is all right, isn't it? Nice and dark grey. And you get electric windows. On the earlier models, it wasn't actually that long ago. On the Icon spec on the Yaris, you used to have a wind-up window, so that's quite good. I've noticed on the Icon spec as well, you have a different light system. It has a old bulb system, whereas on the newer ones you have like an angel light that goes around on an LED. But for 23,100, like I said, that is not a bad deal, is it? Under here, you'll notice you don't, as I said, this is the cheapest. We've not ticked any boxes, so we're getting the base spec at 23. You've got no spare wheel, but you can pay for a little space saver spare wheel to go under there. Here's the 40 split of the seat. You've got the top tether there. Boots are pretty big on these, not too bad at all. Like I said, these are the lesser spec wheels, 16-inch, but I quite like these because obviously the upper spec you get all the diamond cut and they've got like the painted finish inside, but they're really nice. What do you reckon? Have a little switch here, you put the key in and turn it, turns the airbag off, so you can have a rear-facing child seat. You've got, what have you got down here? You've got, is it a USB-C charging point? These are illuminated actually, they come on at night when the lights on, etc. You have a little AC adapter down there. Lights on these, as well as the rear lights, are slightly different to the up spec. The up specs you have all the LEDs. These are your old school bulbs. Not as fancy, are they? But they do the job. You have fog lights though on Icon now, which you never used to get on Icon. So that's pretty good for 23. I keep saying it, but what can you buy for 23 grand nowadays? Especially nothing running the hybrid system that you're going to get 10 years warranty with as well. I mean, come on. I mean, you don't get, like I said, the rear tints, silver 16-inch wheels, but I like them. I think I actually prefer them. I think they actually look really nice. So yeah, what do you reckon? For 23, would you have that? Gets my approval. So what do you reckon of the 2025 Toyota Yaris Icon Spec at just 23,140? No rear tints, different wheels. I like it. And if you found this video of help, please do give it a like. It will help my channel immensely, and I'll see you again soon when I spot something like this that catches my eye, and I'll take you on a walk in 4K to have a look. So I will see you again soon. Sun's out. Look at that. It's been raining, it's been snowing, it's been doing all sorts. I've not done a video for a couple of weeks, actually. Weather's been a bit rubbish. But yeah, see you again soon. I'll leave you with that. 23,000, 10-year warranty. What's not to like?